ways to make money in digital marketer as a beginner. You do not need years of experience to start making money in digital marketing. Seriously, guys. There are beginners out there, there are landing clients, growing side hustles, and building online businesses after just a few weeks of learning the basics. I know that for sure. I've been in this niche for more than 8 years from now. So if you're wondering how you can start earning with the digital marketing skills, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through 5 proven ways for beginners how you can make money in digital marketing. And by the end of this video, I hope that you will implement some of these tricks and you will know which path feels right for you. If you want more ideas like this, make sure to subscribe. I post weekly and you can grab essential ideas for developing in digital marketing. As well as I will drop the link in the description box for my guide, which has helped hundreds of people to launch the first online course just in 7 days. Okay, let's jump in. Number 1, the first type of income is freelancing. This is the most popular and fastest way for beginners to start making money. Why? Because you do not need a huge audience or fancy tech setup or any other kind of investment. You just need a skill and someone who needs help with it. Think about things like writing content, creating reels, designing graphics, web design, UX, UI design is super in high demand right now. Running social media profiles on Instagram, on TikTok. So many businesses need a social media managers, doing basic SEO, doing Facebook ads campaigns or any other types of paid ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads, creating email newsletters and doing CRM marketing. If you've spent even a few hours learning one of these skills, you are already ahead of a lot of small business owners who just do not have the time for that. And they are looking for somebody who will help them and who will be able to take care of all these things. Start by creating a simple offer and pitching it on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even directly through direct messages or emails. I have the video where I explained how you can start making money in digital marketing. And one of the main ideas of that video was that you need to select the niche in digital marketing. There are different streams of activities in digital marketing. You can choose social media management. You can choose email marketing. You can build funnels. This is my personal recommendation. I all the time inspire you guys. Start building the funnels. Learn how to generate money. The other skill is how to run paid ads or how to create webinars, how to do graphic designs, or how to create content for so many businesses that is in a high demand. If you want to add on to this video, watch it. It's on my channel. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is super popular in the United States. It's all about recommending products or tools you believe in and earning a commission when somebody buys through your link. Easy and very often used. This is perfect for beginners who love sharing ideas, making content, create content on social media, and post or write reviews. Let's say you love a particular email marketing tool. You've used a MailChimp or some other email sender. You can create a post, reels, YouTube video. You can share the link in stories on Instagram and include your affiliate link. When people click and sign up, you get paid. Easy. There are affiliate programs in almost every niche which you can think, from tech to fitness to personal finance. Amazon, Canva, ConvertKit, and even web hosting platforms offer beginner-friendly affiliate programs. The key is to build trust and provide real value. People can tell when you are just trying to sell something and trying to make money on it, or when you share sincerely and you share what really works for you, and the income will follow. For me personally, I do not like this option of making money because it's really hard to control how people will react and how people will buy. The number 3 option for making money in digital marketing is social media management. If you love work with the content, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, they all will pay you if you create content for somebody who is on the platform. Your goal will be to do a content creation to increase the engagement rate and schedule the post. You do not need a huge following, you just need to know how the platforms work and how to keep things going consistently. You could offer your services of social media management to create and schedule content, design templates in Canva, write captions, edit videos like TikToks or Reels. You also can offer people to do stories or to shoot the videos, which they can use in any of the platforms at any way they want, and respond to comments and DMs. From my point of view, I've already talked on that point. If you want to make money with a social media management, focus on businesses, not influencers. So you better focus on the business of one type. Let's say you can work only with beauty salons. Then you will be able to mix the content. You will deeply research the audience. It will be easier for you to produce the content if you work just in one niche. Do not work with influencers. I think it will be a little bit challenging because they all would like you to write with their words, with their tone of voice, and it's super difficult. Better go with businesses. Number 4, selling courses or digital products. My favorite one. Yes, you can sell a course even as a beginner. You do not need to be a world-class expert to teach something super valuable. You can start very low. So do not pretend that you are a professor in Harvard and trying to sell something really complicated. Do not do that. People will quickly identify that you are a scam. So go with the really easy topics. The other thing which is really important, there is such things as PLR. This is the buyout of intellectual property of a digital product. You can buy somebody's digital course and sell it. Yes, you can do that. Just search for PLR and you will go through different websites. There is a PLR university, they call it so, which will allow you to learn more about that. How to sell it? You can use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, Notion. It will make it super easy to sell, and you do not need a big audience to get started. Just share it in relevant communities or in your social media. Start small, get feedback, and improve as you go. My recommendation, try all 5 ways which I will mention today. Just put those seeds in the ground and see which one will catch up first. And number 5 option for making money is the running ads for others. This is my second favorite thing. These ones take a lot of skills. So my recommendation, never do ads campaign when you have zero knowledge or when you have low knowledge. It definitely will require to invest some money in a really good online course. Do not start with the free courses. No, don't do that. It's not a proper investment of your time. It might seem like, oh, the information will be almost the same. No, sign up only to those courses that will have a feedback. Ads campaigns are super complicated thing if you do that right. Most people do that not correctly. They will have a low efficiency, low ROA, low ROAS, which means return of an ad spend. Do not do that. You will just quickly be demotivated and that's it. My recommendation, go with an enrollment in the paid course with a proper feedback, and then you can either work on your own or go to the agency for the beginning, and then in some period of time you can establish your own digital marketing company. So let's recap these 5 ways for the beginners how you can make money in digital marketing. First one, freelancing. Trade your skills for income. I personally do not recommend this one, but this is an option. Affiliate marketing, recommend some products, services, and earn passively. Social media management, get paid to create and manage content. This is my number 3 for today. Remember, focus on businesses. Do a B2B services. Choose one niche and sell the service of social media management. My number 1 is sell online courses or digital products. Turn your knowledge into assets, or you can buy out the intellectual properties and sell it. Running ads for others is my number 2 for today. Drive results and charge for return of investment. I would also add here, learn how to build funnels, and that will be the full package. Let me know in the comments which one of these 5 options you would love to choose and why. Maybe you are already providing some services in digital marketing. I would like to see the statistics or where you guys at the moment, and if you have any ideas for the next videos, just let me know in the comments. Meanwhile, I remind you that in the description box you will find the link for the guide which will help you in 7 days create your online course. It's gonna be your first launch and you will learn more about digital marketing skills. That's it for today. Let me know what you think about this video and see you next time.